In this video, I'm going to show you how to access additional reports on the Webtrieve desktop. Right here on the homepage, if you look up at the top level navigation, you're going to see the item Reports. Scroll down to Additional Reports. Click on that. This web page has 3 use cases, and that is if you want to generate a delinquent report, a missing information report, or access sample activity. You can toggle between each of these by just hovering with your mouse and clicking on them. But we're going to start with the delinquent report. So the delinquent report identifies the components which have missed the sampling period. Using the company filter, type the company name or click on the search button to display all companies. You're going to see a list of companies displayed, and then after selecting the desired companies to view, the total number of companies is displayed. From here, you can search for your desired company, units, and component types. To select a single account, click Search. A list of all accounts for the user is displayed. Click on the desired account name. Selection may also be made by using the checkboxes. To generate the list, click on the Generate Action bar. Unsampled components may be removed from the list by turning off the Show Unsampled Components. Export option is available in CSV format. Now let's go over to the missing information report. This report displays a list of samples that were submitted with missing information. To select a single account, click Search. A list of all accounts for the user is displayed. Click on the desired account name. Selection may also be made by using the checkboxes. To generate the list, click on the Generate Action bar. And the next report type is sample activity. This report displays sample activity for 12 rolling months, samples which have been flagged with an alarm, and double alarm samples. To select a single account, click Search. A list of all accounts for the user is displayed. Click on the desired account name. Selection may also be made by using the checkboxes. To generate the list, click on the Generate Action bar. Samples with an asterisk next to the condition indicates oil was changed. To view a list of samples with alarm status, click on the Alarm tab. To view a list of samples with double alarms, click on the Double Alarm tab. Samples in this list are samples which were flagged twice in the last 12-month period. And that's how to access and generate additional reports